Hey, what's up you guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to fully remove every single ad from Instagram. Now this should work on pretty much any Android device, but it only works on Android. You cannot do this on iOS. Now for this, first of all, you have to open your preferred browser of choice. Then you're going to search for anti-split M. Then go on this GitHub page. Now scroll down to releases, then download the APK. Tap download anyway. Now if this is the first time that you're sideloading an app from outside the Play Store, you might have to enable some additional settings so I can install it from my browser. So for that I'm just going to go into my downloads and tap on this. And as you can see, it brings up this warning that I have to enable like an additional settings. I'm just gonna go in settings, then enable this, allow from this source. And now I'm able to install it without issues. Now tap done on this for now, then go back into Brave, go in the search bar and type ReVanced.app. Now, this is the same app that's used to patch YouTube in order to remove the ads and to add sponsor block and a number of additional features. And the same app can be used to patch additional apps such as Instagram in order to remove ads. So I'm just going to go in download, then tap the rate its version, okay, and download anyway. And now I go in my downloads and install that. And once again I'm going to tap done, and next up I'm going to download Instagram, but I'm not going to install it from the Play Store. Instead I'm going to search in my browser for it and type APK mirror. I'm doing this because I am going to patch the APK file from Instagram, and to do that I have to download it from outside of Google Play. So now once I'm in APK mirror, I'm going to look for the latest stable release, which is here at the time of recording this, version 4.22. So I'm going to go on that, then scroll down and make sure that you download the ARM64 480 DPI version. So I'm going to tap on this. Then download APK bundle. And now the reason why I installed anti-split M earlier as a first step is because this, instead of downloading as a standard APK file, it downloads as an APK bundle. And I have to use anti-split in order to merge the bundle back into one APK file that I can use to patch and to install. So now that I have the APK file, the APK bundle, downloaded, I'm going to go into my app drawer, open anti-split M, then select split APK to merge, and I'm going to select the Instagram bundle and save, and just wait for that to finish. Now once that's finished, you can close this app. And now, before the next step, if you have Instagram installed, go ahead and uninstall it, and then open your app drawer and look for ReVanced Manager. Open that. Now, upon first launch, you'll have to grant some permissions, so I'm going to go ahead and do those. Then tap next, next, skip for now. And now, before anything else, go in the settings in the top right corner, then go in advanced and enable this option, allow changing patch selection and options. So I'm going to enable that and confirm. Now I'm going to go back, and here in search apps I'm going to search for Instagram, and you have it right here. Just select that. And now first I'm going to go in select APK source, and here I'm going to select from storage, and I have it right here in my downloads folder, the Instagram APK, which I just merged earlier using anti-split. This is the APK bundle, which you can see is grayed out, and this is the APK file which I merged from the bundle. So I'm going to select that. And now in select patches, I'm going to uncheck the default selection and only enable hide ads. Now the reason why I'm doing this is because if I try to patch with the default selection, usually it fails to patch for some reason, but if I only leave the hide ads option enabled, then it patches without issues. So once I have only that selected, make sure you tap on save, and now tap on patch. And now you're just gonna have to wait for this to finish patching. It might take like a couple of minutes to up to maybe like 5 minutes, depending on the performance of your device. So just be patient with it. If everything looks green in the patching part, then it means that it's going successfully. So just wait for it to finish. Now, once it's finished patching, just go ahead and tap install and install. And that's pretty much it. Now you just have to sign into it like you usually do. And I'm going to do a before and after just so you can see the comparison between how it looked before and how it looks after the patch. So I'm just gonna sign into my account and then I'll be right back. Now I am signed in and I am back, and I'm just going to scroll a little bit through my feed just so you can see that I don't get any ads in between the posts. Now on the left hand side, you're gonna see what it looks like with the normal app. Without the patch, you can see every 4 to 5 posts I get an ad, and here I don't have a single one in between. Now I can also switch to Reels, and once again I can just keep on scrolling, and you can see that I don't get a single ad in between the Reels. And that's about it, guys. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them down in the comments, and I'm going to try to respond to every one of you. I hope you found this video useful, and until next time, bye bye.